Okay, today we're going to add and subtract. Okay? Sounds pretty easy. Hopefully it is easy. Add and subtract today. A monomial. A monomial. Mono means one. It's a polynomial with one term. A binomial would then be a polynomial with and a trinomial So a monomial is a polynomial with one term, a binomial is a polynomial with two terms, and a trinomial is a polynomial with three terms. Ready? When we're adding and subtracting polynomials, we add and subtract like terms. Like terms are the same variables to the same powers. If you have it to the third power, you find one with the third power. We add them together. 6x to the third plus 2x to the third is 8x to the third. Do not add the exponents. Add only the coefficients. Leave the exponents alone. Then we want to put these in standard form. What would be the next term? X squared. 1x squared plus a negative 8x squared is negative 7x squared. Plus 4x. And then negative 7 plus 3 is? Ta-da. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, we can do this. This is one of the easier sections. It's easier than yesterday's worksheet where you had to work with the exponents. Okay, if you have a subtraction problem, do not leave it as a subtraction problem. Rewrite it as an addition problem. So plus, and then change this because this was positive, now it's negative. This was positive, now it's negative. This was negative, now it's positive. Now you go, well, what's standard form here? Well, here it doesn't matter quite as much, but we'll go highest power. We'll basically leave it in the same order that it is here. Okay? So, first, what's 3x squared y squared plus a negative 2x squared y squared? Do I have to put the 1 in front? No. What's 2xy squared plus a negative 3xy squared? Negative 1xy squared. Do I have to put the 1 in front? No. What's 6x squared plus 2x squared? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, on the next one, what's my first term? 4a to the 6th, because there's no a to the 6th in the other part. What's my second term? There's an a cubed and an a cubed, so it's negative 1a cubed. What's the next one? Plus 4a squared. A plus 2a is? Minus 1. Okay. We got this down good enough. I don't have to do this one, right? Okay. Now, know these names. Know these names. A constant doesn't have a variable in it. It's just a number. A positive or negative number is called a constant. Linear has x to the first power in it as its own variable, or m to the first power, or p to the first power. Okay, but just one variable to the first power is linear. Quadratic is to the second power. So you have something to the second power, it's quadratic. If it's to the third power, it's cubic. Fourth power, it's quartic. Fifth power, it's quintic. So since 4 quarters make a dollar, then you can remember quarter is 4, quartic, quarter, quartic, quarter. Cubic is third, quadratic you should know, linear you should know, and quintic is 5. Bless you. So you need to know these names because I'm gonna have a polynomial down, and you'll have to name it by its power name and its number of terms. Now we went over the number of terms right at the start: monomial, binomial, trinomial. And if it's not a monomial, binomial, or trinomial, if it's longer than that, we just call it a polynomial. So we would have a linear binomial, a quadratic trinomial, a cubic binomial, a quartic trinomial, and a quintic polynomial in front of us right now. Okay? So, whoa, that went too far. What's the first one? What kind of a trinomial? It's a quadratic trinomial. Quadratic because it's the second power. What's the second one? A cubic binomial. What's the next one? It's not, well, you're going jumping to the next one already. The next one is a what's that one? Anything more than 3 is just a polynomial. Okay, that's what we're going to see today. We have a worksheet over this: adding, subtracting, and naming.